In order to create routines on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to simply go to Settings, choose Modes and Routines, and then at the bottom go to Routines. Now over here we can press this plus button in the top right corner. Now we need to select the trigger, what has to happen in order to make the routine start working. So let's say we can choose specific time, and we can set like 9 PM. We can also choose whether it should be repeated every day, every week, or every month. We can press done. We can add multiple conditions at once. Then we have to choose what should happen when that condition is met. So for example, if that time is set, when there is 9 PM in my case, then I want to go to advanced options, and let's get details from data as an example, of course. Of course, you can find multiple different things that you can do. You can, for example, use your smart things as well if you have set it up. You can make some displays changes or security changes and so on and so forth. Or accessibility, you can use accessibility options as well. So once we are done, we can simply press save in the bottom right corner. In my case, action to get supported data needs to be added. So we can select what should happen, let's say this thing. And there we go, and then we can press save. So I just did it quickly just to proceed. After that, we can select the color for the icon. We can also switch to gallery and camera. We can set up the name, and we can also choose the icon itself, how it should look like. And we can press done in order to save the routine. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!